A tornado warning has been issued for a region northwest of Montreal Thursday afternoon. Environment Canada issued a weather alert at 2:20 p.m. for the Lachute-Saint-Jerome region in southwestern Quebec. The weather agency said it is monitoring a severe thunderstorm that is possibly producing a tornado. Damaging winds, large hail, and locally intense rainfall are also possible. This is a dangerous and potentially life-threatening situation. Take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches. If you hear a roaring sound or see a funnel cloud, swirling debris near the ground, flying debris, or any threatening weather approaching, take shelter immediately.